Hey, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. In this video, I'm talking about Cardano price update. What's going on? What's the price? What's the price changes over in the Cardano? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, if you are new in my channel, so kindly please subscribe now. AB Stake channel for more news and update videos, guys. The right now price of Cardano is about 2.24 USD dollar. That is right now price of Cardano. And other side, guys, if we talk about the changes update of Cardano, so now the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, these whole changes occur in the Cardano is going negative in the market, guys. If you look the last 3 days price chart, so you can see here the last 3 days price change is negative 0.7%, and the price falls from 2.31 USD dollar to 2.25 USD dollar, guys. That's mean that from last 3 days the price of Cardano going down day by day, hour by hour. So guys, now at this time I recommend for everybody that hold, if you hold the possibilities that in the upcoming next week, possibilities that the price will again pump, guys. Anyways, what you think? What's your prediction about Cardano? Also share in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe channel.